A very good morning to everyone. So this morning we have worked so hard to prepare our lunch, and after preparing for more than 1.5 hours, this is the variety which we have. So I want to share with you all. So first is we have a dry peas, which we call it uti in Manipuri, and it has been an added flavor of soda to make it more tasty, to give more flavor. And next we have this one, which is a yongchak, which in Manipuri we call it yongchak, but in English we call it pakia timorania, with an added flavor of sesame seeds, which you can see in the black part is a sesame seeds. It's a sesame seeds which we have added to this raw pakia timorania chutney. And next we have boiled chicken curry. This is one variety which we have kept for this morning. It's boiled chicken curry. And apart from it, we have a salad of cucumber. This is an organic salad from the hill, pure organic, no added nothing. And another one which we have is a dry fish from Manipur, a long way from Manipur, which is being prepared with a piece of chili, a dry chutney, smashed chili, and a fried oil. So this is a token of love from Manipur. So these are all the varieties which we have for this morning, and we'll be having with our Oza, and with the pitch of some songs in the background and some good flavor. So catch you all in the evening again with different varieties of food. Thank you so much. Bye bye.